how to know.
Grass. You again? Yes. Today I've told you that there's no more paper, there's no more booklet. What are you still looking for here now?
Madam, you have to help me.
So what should I do? I should tear myself, I should make myself a paper.
Okay, paper is the problem. I brought paper.
I should do myself. No, this one is stupid. So now this paper you want to use to print your passport, Abi? This is the paper you want to use to print your passport.
Madam, my visa will expire in 2 weeks. You have been telling me to come back. Come back since 3 months now.
I don't have your time, Oga.
Please, how can you help me? I need that passport. Please, madam, how can you help me?
Listen to me. If you are ready to do this thing, your passport is ready to do this.
Madam, let's do it now.
Do it. Shout. So, you give me 70,000 naira.
I will pay you 70,000 naira for passport of my own country. Madam, wrong now.
You're wrong.
Wrong now. How can you be expecting me to bribe you to collect passport of my own country? A whole Nigerian citizen. Arise, O compatriots, Nigeria Kolobe to serve our fatherland. Madam, it's my own country.
Oga, if you're not ready, please get out. I'll call the security and they'll remove your tie for you. What are you looking for here?
This is barbaric, nepotic, and despotic.
Madam. Mr. Oxford Dictionary, sorry.
Madam, let me tell you.
What?
If that visa should expire and I'm not able to leave this country, I know that's your prayer, I will stay back. But when I stay back in this country, I will do Yahoo. I will defraud you, defraud the government, I will defraud the family.
You will defraud your family.
You will die of depression. I will defraud you, madam. I will defraud you, madam. What nonsense?
Who are you?
Madam.
Are you mad?
Madam, you don't
my
know
goodness,
me.
my goodness. Why are you shouting? You're mad.
Who are they?
Calm down. You look like a gentleman. What's going on?
Madam, I'm not a gentleman. I'm stingy and wicked. I will sting you. Madam, don't try me. Please, as I was saying.
Wait, excuse me. Just
you are not ready
calm, young man, just calm down. Excuse me. I came here to help you. What's wrong with your eyes? Nothing, ma'am. What's going on here? Madam, what's the problem?
Oh, very good. See this woman that you are seeing here, that her mouth is like Nigerian border. I have been coming here for 3 months for my passport. No booklets, no paper, no fuel. I now came today. She's not telling me that I should pay her bribe to collect my passport in my own country.
What? You asked for a bribe in this office? You dare ask for a bribe? Now, how many times have you told all of you in this office there's nothing like bribe in this office? So why are you asking for a bribe? I'm so sorry, sir. Please, come with me. I'll sort it out. Madam. Make sure you clear that desk. No, have your seat. You can't do that. Have your seat. You know that you were just shouting that time. How much did you say she said pay if you paid?
How much? Madam, don't even go jail. Me, I will pay 70,000 naira.
You did. Let me lose control. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking, if you have a 68,490, I can do it for you. Wait. In case you are thinking, if you have paid the money is a lot, you can pay 63,420.
Madam, even you.
Early savings or current?